Finding the best electric kettle for French press can make or break your morning coffee ritual. The best electric kettle for French press heats water fast and holds steady temps, which matters when you want rich, balanced flavor without bitterness. After years of daily French press brewing at home, I've learned that wide spouts, quick boil times, and simple controls fit real US kitchen routines best. I've tested many kettles hands-on and paid close attention to taste, ease, and long-term use. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Cosori Electric Gooseneck Kettle with 5 Temperature Control. The Cosori Electric Gooseneck Kettle with 5 Temperature Control feels built for calm, focused brewing. I like how the gooseneck spout gives full control, especially during slow pour-over mornings. Water flows smooth and steady, which helps avoid over-extracting coffee. The temp hold mode is useful when I get distracted and come back a few minutes later. The stainless steel interior keeps the taste clean and pure. Heating feels quick but never noisy. The handle sits well in the hand and feels balanced. Preset buttons make temperature choices simple and stress-free. The ready beep the helpful and can be turned off. The smaller size is perfect for 1 or 2 cups. One downside is it is not ideal for large groups. Still, it feels precise, thoughtful, and made for people who enjoy the brewing process. Number 4. Chefman Electric Kettle with Temperature Control. The Chefman Electric Kettle with Temperature Control feels made for people who enjoy slowing down with heat. I like how fast it boils, yet still gives control when I want a gentler heat. The tricolor LEDs make it easy to see what stage the kettle is in at a glance. The removable infuser is great for loose-leaf tea and saves me from extra tools. The glass body looks clean on the counter and feels solid. Pouring is smooth even when the kettle is full. Temperature presets help avoid burnt tea leaves. One small downside is the glass gets warm to the touch. Still, it feels flexible, practical, and very friendly for daily tea routines. Number 3. Ovente Electric Kettle 1.7-liter Fast Boiling Water Heater. The Ovente Electric Kettle 1.7-liter Fast Boiling Water Heater feels simple and reliable for everyday use. I notice how quickly it heats water for coffee, tea, or instant meals. The fast boil speed saves time on busy mornings. The clear water level window helps avoid overfilling. I also like the removable filter because it keeps water clean and is easy to rinse. The kettle feels light and easy to handle. Auto shutoff adds safety. The plastic build keeps the price low, though it feels less premium. Still, performance is consistent and dependable for daily needs. Number 2. Cuisinart Perfect Temp 1.7-liter Electric Kettle. The Cuisinart Perfect Temp 1.7-liter electric kettle feels refined and reliable for daily brewing. It heats water fast and feels consistent every time. I really enjoy the preset temp keys because they remove guesswork, especially for tea and French press mornings. This kettle easily fits the best electric tea kettle for French press use, thanks to steady heat control. The memory lift hold is surprisingly useful when I grab the kettle briefly and return it without resetting. The handle stays cool and secure in hand. The keep warm function helps during slow mornings. It is on the pricey side, and the stainless body shows fingerprints. Still, performance feels polished. For precision lovers who value control, this kettle brings comfort, confidence, and dependable brewing results every day. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 1.7-liter Temperature Control Electric Kettle. The Hamilton Beach 1.7-liter Temperature Control Electric Kettle feels practical and steady for daily use. It heats fast and fits well into busy mornings. I like the temp presets because they take the guesswork out of tea and French press mornings. Each setting feels accurate and easy to trust. The keep warm mode is helpful when mornings get distracted. Water stays ready without rushing. The stainless steel interior feels solid and simple to clean. Pouring feels smooth and controlled. The kettle is a bit heavier than glass models, so lifting it when full takes some care. Still, performance feels reliable. For households that want control without complexity, this kettle delivers comfort, consistency, and dependable results day after day. Final verdict. If you want a well-rounded kettle that delivers speed, control, and everyday reliability, I personally recommend the Hamilton Beach 1.7-liter Temperature Control Electric Kettle as the best overall choice. Its temp presets, quick boil and keep warm function make it ideal for tea, coffee, and French press brewing without fuss. For a specific need, especially if you want a more premium and polished experience, the Cuisinart Perfect Temp 1.7-liter electric kettle is an excellent upgrade. It adds refined controls, memory lift-hold, and polished design for consistent results in refined brewing routines. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the electric kettle that fits your style and need best.